Did you know that an average translator earns around $50,000 a year? That's a pretty decent sum, right? You may be asking yourself, how the heck am I going to translate if I don't know another language? But here's the good news. You do not really have to learn another language to have a translation job that allows you to work from home. Yes, this is an equal opportunity for everyone wherever you are in the world. Some have even earned up to $650 per day just by translating documents. You will have an even more advantage if you are advised or even forced to take a foreign language class at school, or your family moved around a lot internationally when you were younger and you had to pick up a few languages, because now you can use that knowledge to get paid by being a translator. I'm sure you're all intrigued how this whole work from home translation job works. But before that, I'd like to welcome you first timers to the Online Money Girl channel. This is your online money girl, and I teach people all over the world the newest ways to make money from home, regardless of their background and expertise. The process I'll be sharing today is pretty straightforward, but you still don't want to miss out on the important details, so make sure to watch till the end of the video if you want to start making money right away. The website that I'm talking about is Latium.org. Latium Freelancing is an online jobs platform where users can work and hire using cash or digital currencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. Latium has a simple project posting process. If you go to the website, you simply need to click the Explore Projects option at the top, and it will direct you to the projects page. Here, you will find tons of projects in areas like graphic design, business and accounting, engineering and science, and a whole lot more. If you have some knowledge or expertise in those areas, of course, you can bid on those projects. But for this video, we're only going to talk about translation and languages. As mentioned earlier, some projects do not really require you to be an experienced translator, so a lot of you can fit into this category and earn a decent sum at home. To get started, first, go to latium.org and select Sign Up for Free. From the Sign Up page, you will be presented with a relatively standard set of registration fields for creation of a Latium freelancing account. After completing the registration, you'll be asked to confirm your email address by keying in the login code sent to your previously used email address. Next, select the option to jump into creating projects as a freelancer. After selecting to work, complete the onboarding questions to make your account more visible to prospective employers on the platform. Now, for the onboarding process. First, you can optionally upload an avatar. This is an image that will be displayed in thumbnail view when employers are reviewing your applications and contracts or bids. Next, you can complete a biography to let employers and fellow freelancers alike get to know you a little better. Being specific and unique helps set your portfolio apart from the competition and better identify why you are appropriate for a given project. After creating a biography, you will next be able to add some skills that you currently have. You must add at least one skill, but you can add several as you see fit. To add a skill, first search for an existing or create a new one and input your experience level for the given skill. Next, you can set a preferred hourly rate you would like to charge for your various skills and experience. While you can set any rate, it is a good rule of thumb to insert an appropriate rate according to your expertise while remaining competitive within the community of freelancers available. Last, you can optionally create portfolios to even better display your work and experience to prospective employers. Just to give you an idea, portfolios are built with the following information. Number 1 is the cover page. This is the image that serves as a thumbnail or cover to your portfolio. Number 2 is a brief title for your portfolio. Number 3 is your skill set. These are the specific skills that apply directly to your portfolio of work. And number 4 is a description with detailed info of the work completed within the portfolio of work. Additionally, you may add an image, video, or link to the sample work or portfolio. Simply select Finish to complete your onboarding information and apply it directly to your Latium freelancing platform profile. Projects are also categorized within the front page of the Latium freelancing page by specific categories, as well as newest and most active. Newest is self-explanatory, and these are the newest projects created within the platform. Most active projects are projects which continue to have actively paid out contracts to freelancers who have applied for and completed work for the employer. These projects have continued to have the most up-to-date and active payouts. This category is always a good place to start, as the employers have given themselves to be engaging and interactive with their freelance hires. When actively looking at projects available, there are several key things to pay attention to when reviewing possible projects and considering applying to work. Before opening a project, you will find some key information like the cover image, which briefly visualizes the project, employer's display name, project description, the currency, and most importantly, the reward or amount paid after completion and review of the project. Another thing to look out for are the labels attached, which describe further information regarding the project, specifically Instant Hire. Instant Hire denotes that the project instantly hires after you select Start Project Now. In other cases, employers are also able to have other options like After Review and Receive Bids. In an instant hire project, if you meet the requirements for starting, you will be immediately hired by the employer as soon as you select Start Project Now. With a traditional project, you can apply to complete the work for the employer and must wait for your application to be reviewed and accepted. After acceptance, you can then communicate with the employer directly to discuss and complete the required work. This is called After Review. In a project that receives bids, the employer has elected to allow for bids within a set range of pricing. In this instance, you are able to select your estimated date of completion and pricing in US dollars that you're willing to complete the work for. You will also have the ability to communicate in chat with the employer directly. From a chat box, you can correspond with the employer, and you will notice automated messages that outline various actions such as starting work, uploading screenshot proofs, or marking the project complete. Now let's talk about how to be a translator without having to learn different languages. The secret is in the power of Google Translate. If you go to translate.google.org, which you may have already visited before, you simply need to copy the text from your current project and paste it on the left box. You don't even need to change the language because Google Translate will detect it for you. On the right part of the box, you will then select the language that you want the text translated to, and voila! Google Translate will do all of the heavy lifting. All you need to do is copy and paste the original and translated text to wherever you need them to be. If you have pages and pages of documents to translate, you can opt to upload it on Google Translate, and just like earlier, the website will do all the work for you. See, it works like magic, and it can be done by anyone, anywhere in the world, as long as you have internet, of course. Another cool thing about this website is that it supports a wide range of cryptocurrency aside from PayPal money. Freelancers are paid automatically through the Latium platform once the employer has approved the work. Some projects can be auto-pay, which means once a freelancer marks the project complete, they will immediately be paid. The funds will be deposited into their wallet. The Latium freelancing platform is full of numerous opportunities to both create and fund projects, as well as earn by completing these tasks. With a wide selection of categories and employers, the possibilities are endless in both what you want to accomplish as well as what you want to earn. If you're interested in this opportunity and would like to be a translator on Latium, let me know how this video helped you. I would also love to know which part of the world you're watching this from, so please drop by the comment section because I'd love to say hi. You do not want to miss out on the latest news on how to make money online, so hit the subscribe button and the notification bell icon. As always, this is your OMG saying BYE. See you in the next money making video.